Hi, if you are trying to find an app that suddenly disappeared from your phone, don't worry. It may simply be hidden instead of deleted. Many Android phones include a feature that lets users hide apps for extra privacy. In this guide, I'll show you how to unhide hidden apps in just a few simple steps. Start by unlocking your phone and going to your home screen. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app drawer where all of your installed apps are normally displayed. Once you're in the app drawer, look for the three dot menu in the top right or bottom right corner, depending on your phone model and Android version. Tap the three dots, then select Settings or Home Screen Settings from the menu. On some devices, you may need to scroll a little to find the option called Hide Apps on Home and App screens, or simply Hide Apps. Tap this option to open the hidden apps list. At the top of the screen, you'll see every app that is currently hidden from your home screen and app drawer. To unhide an app, simply tap the app's icon or name to remove it from the hidden list. If you have multiple hidden apps, you can select all the ones you want to restore at the same time. After making your selection, tap Done, Save, or Apply depending on your device. Your changes will be saved instantly, and the selected apps will automatically reappear in the app drawer. You can also place them back on your home screen by pressing and holding the app icon and dragging it to your preferred location. If you still can't find the app after following these steps, it may have been disabled, moved to another user profile, or uninstalled. In that case, check your phone's app settings or reinstall the app from the Google Play Store if necessary. That's all it takes to unhide hidden apps on your Android phone in 2026.